Want to become rich? Start by changing what you read. Here are 5 powerful books that can completely transform your financial life. First, Rich Dad, Poor Dad. This book teaches the difference between assets and liabilities. The rich buy assets that generate income, while the poor buy liabilities. Master this, and you change your future. Next, The Psychology of Money. Wealth isn't just about intelligence, it's about behavior. This book reveals how mindset, patience, and emotional control shape financial success. The Intelligent Investor is the Bible of investing. Learn how to manage risk, avoid costly mistakes, and build wealth through long-term value investing. Finally, The Richest Man in Babylon and Think and Grow Rich. These classics teach you to pay yourself first and understand that wealth starts in the mind. Success leaves clues, and these books hold the blueprint. Start reading today and begin building your wealth.